Hello everyone. Take an orange sheet of paper and then take a yellow sheet of paper, both in circular shape. Then stick them both together. First, taking the bigger orange circular sheet of paper, make multiple cuts in the edges of it. Using a pen or pencil or any such circular object, roll in the edges. Then take the lighter yellow sheet of paper that is circular in shape and then add eyes and ears to it. Add a cute little mouth as well and stick it in the center of the orange sheet of paper. Take a strip of yellow paper and then fold it over 2 times as such. Then draw some lines using a ruler and then cut a strip of paper from it. Fold it over upwards. Then cut the edges to make it curved. Add small lines at the bottom. This will indicate the paw. Stick the body. Don't forget to add the tail. Now stick it all together. For our next craft, take 2 orange circular sheets of paper and then fold them both into half. Then take a black sheet of circular paper and add some glue to it on both sides and stick these half semicircular shapes onto it. Take a small black circular sheet of paper and add googly eyes to it. Then add some antenna as well. Once you add the antenna, you may stick the entire face to the front of this body. Add black dots using a marker. Next, take a purple sheet of paper along with a pink sheet of paper and then fold it over multiple times, first diagonally and then make it into a square-like shape. Then fold over the top edge and as well as the sides after reversing the sheet of paper. Add some eyes to it. Then take a yellow sheet of paper, make multiple folds in it. Once you do this, make the folds even more narrower and then fold it into half. Make very narrow folds. Fold the bottom upwards and then fold the top downwards. Once you are done with this, add a white cloud-like sticker to the center. Fold it over and insert one edge into the other. Then add some ears to it. Take 2 sheets of paper, one 17 into 17 and the other 15 into 17 centimeters long. Then take one of these sheets and then fold it over in order to make multiple narrow folds on it. Add some glue and stick one of the sides together. Taking the smaller blue sheet of paper, fold it into half, make multiple folds once again and once again stick one of the ends together. Stick it around the pink sheet of paper this time. Then use a rubber band and tie it onto one of the edges. Take an ovular sheet of beige paper and then take a yellow strip of paper. Fold it over to make it look like hair and then using a marker pen, draw a face to it. Then take another strip of brown paper or beige paper or peach paper and then add certain markings to it. This will be the legs. Take the initial creation that you have made and stick it all together. You have a princess. Take an orange sheet of paper and then add tape to one of the sides and stick it in a circular shape. You will have a cylindrical shape now. Stick one of the edges together using some glue. Then add a green top to it and you will have a carrot-like shape. Cut off the edges and make it more curved. Add some googly eyes as well as a cute little smile to it. Then using a marker, draw some lines all over. Take a yellow sheet of paper and then fold it diagonally on either side. Then fold in one of the edges to make it meet at the center. Make one more fold along this line. Then turn over the paper and fold the edge upwards. Unfold a part of the sheet and fold it as such. Then fold down one of the corners. Make it come in line with the rest of the sheet of paper. Fold in the other side as well in a similar manner. Once you are done with this, add eyes. Also add a mouth. Take an orange sheet of paper and make a circular shape out of it. Then make a hair-like shape out of it as well. Fold the edges upwards. Take 2 strips of orange paper and then stick them one over the other and then make a spring out of it. Add some ears to a circular sheet of paper and add cute little eyes as well as a mouth and some ears. Using the spring, stick the rest of the parts together. Then roll up a sheet of paper and then stick it at the back. You now have a tiger. Thank you for watching.